Hi guys, Rick here. I just got my order in from the Gold Prospectors Association, so I thought maybe I'd do a quick unboxing video. I ended up getting the Buzzard Special with an extra bag of pay dirt, and I also got the cleanup kit. So let's see what we got. Well, look in here. Here's one of the bags of Tom and Perry's Golden Dirt Bag. And that's the second one I ordered. They say they average about 1.3 pounds or so, so we'll see how that looks. These are the sniffer bottles. There should be 2 of those, which those are here. I don't remember seeing this. The Deluxe Cleanup Kit video. I don't know what that is, so I'll have to check that out. I didn't know what that was coming. And then I knew that there was a video for the guide, which is what this is. And in doing some further research, so from what I'm told, the guide's pretty much not going to do me any good here in the Northeast because there are not any gold claims in the Northeast. Anything that's in the book from the GPAA is on public lands. But we'll see, since there's no claims around here. There's a black sand magnet, or actually pull out your magnetics and stuff out of your pan once you pan down everything. There's a couple of duplicates. I figured my wife was going to get into it too, or my friends I'll take with me sometime. So they have, I got the 14-inch pan that comes with the kit, called the Gold Catcher. There's a few riffles here. I ended up picking up a few pans yesterday, which I will add to a video at a later point. Okay, so it also comes with a second 14-inch pan. That's because I ordered the cleanup kit and the Buzzard Special. And let's see what else we have in the box here. We have a little gold prospecting bag to put your gold in, and there's a little 1-gram glass bottle in there, and then also another sniffer bottle. Here's a 12-inch cleanup pan, which should come in handy. I just bought a blue pan, one of those to a Pro Line pan. I forget exactly what it's called, but a gold GPAA hat, which I don't see me wearing anytime soon. A wire classifier, which will come in handy. Looks like it's down to 1/8 inch, which will help around here. We tend to get a lot of flour gold here in New Hampshire, so that should help. And then a cleanup sluice, which actually is a lot more solid than I thought it was going to be. And it's got a hose attachment, which I didn't know. They don't really show that in the photos. So that's pretty cool, actually. I look forward to using that. I did just buy a wolf trap sluice, which I'm really looking forward to using. Looks like a piece of plastic gutter material, actually. Probably could be made fairly easy, but that's pretty interesting. And what else do we have? We have a benefits package touting the GPAA, I'm sure, and that's all that's included. A patch to put on your jacket, GPAA of America. A bumper sticker that says you're a member of the GPAA. Oh boy, that's special. And another window sticker, it would appear. And a mining guide update, which it looks like it's just a bunch of information about the GPAA. The latest edition of the Pick and Shovel Gazette, which is their monthly magazine, newspaper. And the Mining Guide, which shows all their claims across the country, which I thought was pretty cool. I thought it was going to be pretty interesting, that was the main reason why I joined the club, and because I thought there'd be some interesting information here. And come to find out, like I said, I suppose if I lived in certain areas, it would probably come in handy. But the more I find out about the GPAA, I guess most of the claims that they have are pretty picked over, and good property for camping on, but as far as prospecting, I guess it's not very good. And also, being that there's no land in the New England states, it really isn't going to do me any good either. Return slip, and then a copy of their magazine, which is a bi-monthly, bi-monthly magazine. Gold Prospectors, the magazine. That's something new, I guess. So that's the stuff as far as what I ordered. Like I said, both kits. That's the Buzzard kit, which is the membership and the starter stuff, and then the cleanup kit, which included this mini sluice for cleaning up your stuff at home, your finds, etc. And today is the 3rd of April. I'm hoping to get out. My wife and I don't seem to have any plans for Easter weekend this weekend, so I'm hoping to get out this weekend. And I'm heading up north, and make sure I bring my camera with me and see if we can get some color in the pans. All right, that's pretty much it for today. So I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Just thought I'd add a quick update. I bought a couple of bags of practice sand, and I don't know if this camera is going to pick it up or not, but just going through, it's kind of cool. I mean, there's a lot of little flakes in here. You can see there's a nice bunch. Like I said, it's all just flake, flour gold, stuff like that, but still something to practice with. At least you find some color in your bag. So this should be fun. I'm looking forward to getting home and setting stuff up. I'm at work right now, so I don't want to open stuff up here, but I just thought I'd show a quick look. The bags, when you buy the kit, you can buy the bags for about, I want to say it's like $13 for like 1.3 pounds or so. And I bought 2 of them. Mary got a couple herself to play with. So yeah, you can see the light kind of reflecting off of some of the flakes. So I'm looking forward to it. Like I said, I don't expect probably not even a half a gram here, but what the heck, it's just for fun. A lot of it's stuck to the bag on the inside too. I'll have to make sure I rinse out the bags really well. And like I said, once I start panning out, I'll post a follow-up, and we'll see what we get. Okay, bye.